Hey, to change incoming notifications color by setting keyword on the Galaxy M34 5G, first you have to go to the settings, then go to the notifications. Now from here go into the notification pop-up style and go to the color by keyword. So right now when you input your keyword, let's say that I want to add money, and I have to click on the plus, and from here I have to change the color for this keyword. So I can stay with the blue, but let's say that I want to add the green one, and I can click done. And now as you can see, when I'm gonna receive any notification with the keyword money, this notification will change into the green color. So it allows me to be sure that actually this is matter for me, and I'm able to actually receive this notification. So if you receive a lot of notifications but you want to only open this one that really matter to you, just try the color by keyword. And that's it right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.